So here we are in the lab with the board. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate the 4 different modes. So the modes are controlled by these 2 switches here, and then the inputs to the first 2 digits of the 7-segment display are controlled by these 8 switches here. And then you have your start and stop button and your reset button. So we'll go ahead and start with mode 0, which is just simply counting up from 0. So as you can see, you can start and stop with the start stop button. You can always reset back to 0 via the reset button. Moving on now to mode 1, that is counting up from a predefined value. So here in the switches, I have preset 9 and 5. So when you load those in via the reset button, it will start at 95 and it will count up to 99. As you can see, if I were to, of course, change the switches and then reset, it would go to the number accordingly. So it will count up to 99.99, and in this case, it will stop. Now's a good time to go ahead and demonstrate the counting down function from 99. So in that case, that is mode 2. So as you can see, it will start counting down. You can always stop, start again, and then you can reset back to 99.99. Now the last mode here is mode 3. So if you switch to mode 3 and then load in your value, this will now count down to 0 from whatever value you load in. So I've loaded in 3 here. So as you can see, it will count all the way down and it will again stop at 0 because that's what it's supposed to do. So yeah, those are the 4 board functions.